Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am coming through giving you Ronnie realness, okay? Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Do y'all know where Ronnie is from? Because if not, you too young to be on here. Go ahead, get out here. Go ahead about your business. We don't want nothing to do with you. Let me say, no, get it, stay. Welcome back to our channel. Okay, I am back with a 613 4x4 bob from NadulaHair. Hello, you beautiful mother jumpers. I am back with another one from the NadulaHair. Okay, so I am coming through with a 613 bob. Y'all know I haven't done a 613 wig in a minute. With another one from NadulaHair, okay? I'm super excited about this one. She is a 14-inch bob. I've already gotten her together. I toned her with purple shampoo from Tresemme. I used a purple conditioner just to get that yellowy straw look off of the 613 wig, okay? She's really, really beautiful. She's a 4x4 lace, okay? I'm gonna darken it up as well using our Ibn lace spray. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Okay, I am going to show you what NadulaHair so graciously provided us with. Now she's a 14-inch bob. She's going for just about $153 on nadula.com, so check them out. Okay, Ibn lace tint. I'm wearing Kiss press on nails also, guys. Ibn lace tint. I have her medium dark brown. If you guys are ever looking for products from Ibn, shop online. I have a code for you guys. It's INTESAR10. Make sure you shop with that code, okay? And then I get a little bit of a perk as well because you guys are shopping with them. So let's go on ahead and darken up this lace first. I'm a little nervous about this. I'm a little nervous. So I'm gonna do shorts first, just so I can get like an idea first. Real short burst. You see that? Short burst. I really don't want to kind of like darken up the hair a bit, but I do want to darken up the lace. A little bit nervous about this. I haven't done a 613 wig in a minute. Like a minute. But I'm glad we went in and kind of prepared her before we did this, because I also didn't want that straw look either, because that bothers the shit out of me. So let's just see what she's working with. Well, she is white. Oh, she gonna be a vibe though. Look at this. You see this? Cut that out. Just cut it out. Are y'all ready for what's about to go down right now? Like, are you even prepared? Okay. I might wear this to dinner tonight. Am I giving storm? Is that happening for y'all? Okay, let me get this together, y'all. Let me get this together. I'm gonna shut my mouth. Let me do this real quick and I'm gonna see you on the other side.